Chapter 8 Multiplication Learning Objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to recite multiplication tables from 2 to 10, multiply by repeated addition, warm up. To get the total number of walnuts, we do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12, or we adding 3 4 times to get 12. We can say 4 times 3 is equal to 12, or 4 3s are 12. How many figures are there in all? Or 3 times 5 is equal to? Multiplication means repeated addition. Multiplication is indicated by cross sign. Raj gave 2 flowers to teacher. Anjali gave 2 more flowers to teacher. Komal gave 2 more flowers to teacher. Vijay gave 2 more flowers to teacher. Total number of flowers teacher have is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. This can also be written as 4 into 2 is equal to 8, or 2 into 4 is equal to 8. This can be read as 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, or 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. This method is known as repeated addition or multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, they are known as factors, and the answer obtained is known as product. Count and write. Factors, products. Multiplication facts. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Multiplication table of 1. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 1 taken 1 time. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 taken 2 times. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 taken 3 times. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 taken 4 times. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 1 taken 5 times. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 taken 6 times. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 taken 7 times. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. 1 taken 8 times. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 1 taken 9 times. 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 1 taken 10 times. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Multiplication table of 2. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 2 taken 1 time. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 taken 2 times. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 taken 3 times. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 taken 4 times. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 taken 5 times. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 taken 6 times. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 taken 7 times. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 taken 8 times. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 taken 9 times. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Multiplication table of 4. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 4 taken 1 time. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 taken 2 times. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 taken 3 times. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 taken 4 times. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 taken 5 times. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 taken 6 times. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 4 taken 7 times. 4 into 7 is equal to 28. 4 taken 8 times. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 4 taken 9 times. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 4 taken 10 times. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Multiplication table of 6. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 6 taken 1 time. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 taken 2 times. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 taken 3 times. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 taken 4 times. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 taken 5 times. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 6 taken 6 times.
6 into 6 equals to 36. 6 taken 7 times. 6 into 7 equals to 42.
6 taken 8 times. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. 6 taken 9 times. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. 6 taken 10 times. 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Multiplication table of 8. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 8 taken 1 time, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 taken 2 times, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 taken 3 times, 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 taken 4 times, 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 taken 5 times, 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 taken 6 times, 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 taken 7 times, 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 taken 8 times, 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 taken 9 times, 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 taken 10 times, 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Multiplication table of 10. Objects, repeated addition, multiplication. 10 take 1 time, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 taken 2 times, 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 taken 3 times, 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 10 taken 4 times, 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 10 taken 5 times, 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 10 taken 6 times, 10 into 6 is equal to 60. 10 taken 7 times, 10 into 7 is equal to 70. 10 taken 8 times, 10 into 8 is equal to 80. 10 taken 9 times, 10 into 9 is equal to 90. 10 taken 10 times, 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Find the multiplication. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 2 into 1, 4 into 3. 1 into 6, 5 into 5. 6 into 2, 7 into 4. 8 into 9, 10 into 3. 9 into 7. Quick tip. Every multiplication has a twin, which may be easier to remember. For example, if you forget 8 into 2, you might remember 2 into 8 is equal to 16. This way, you only have to remember half the table. Vertical multiplication. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Can be written as 6 into 2. Multiply 5 into 6, 7 into 2, 1 into 7, 6 into 3, 4 into 9, 6 into 6, 8 into 4. Teacher's note: tell students that a change in the order of the factor does not change the product. Word problems. 1. If one cow has 4 legs, how many legs do 5 cows have? 2. If one elephant has 2 ears, how many ears do 4 elephants have? 3. If there are 6 grapes in one bunch of grapes, how many grapes are there in 7 bunches of grapes? 4. If one pencil box has 8 pencils, how many pencils are there in 3 pencil box? 5. If one clown has 2 eyes, how many eyes do 5 clowns have? Multiplication of 2-digit number without carry over. Multiply 24 by 2. Step 1. Multiply the ones. 2 ones into 4 ones is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones column. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 2 tens into 2 tens is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens column. Product 48. Multiply. Facts do you know? In multiplication, the number being multiplied is called the multiplicand, and the number by which it is being multiplied is called the multiplier. 14 multiplicand into 2 multiplier. Multiplication of 2-digit number with carry over. Multiply 24 by 3. Step 1. Multiply the ones. 3 ones into 4 ones is equal to 12 ones. 1 10, 2 ones. Write 2 in ones column and carry 1 in the tens column. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 2 tens into 3 tens is equal to 6 tens. 2 tens plus 1 tens carried over is equal to 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens column. Product 72. Multiply. Word problems. 1. 2 children sit in each row of a classroom. How many children will sit in 15 rows? 2. There are 3 buses. Each bus has 25 passengers. How many passengers are there in all? 3. There are 50 students in a class. Each student has 7 books. How many books are there in all? 4. There are 35 cars. Each car has 4 people inside it. How many people are there in all? 5. A shopkeeper bought 5 baskets of mangoes. If there are 15 mangoes in each basket, how many mangoes did he buy? Think wisely. Which alphabet am I? 1. One child has 2 eyes. How many eyes do 5 children have? By repeated addition. Mental maths. A. Learn the tables and write the product. 3 into 5, 8 into 6, 5 into 9, 3 into 7. B. Take the correct answer. A. 4 times dash is equal to 2. 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 4. B. When we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, 4, 2. C. 11 into dash is equal to 11. 1, 11, 2, 0, 3, 1, 4, 3. Maths lab activity. Materials required: straw, sketch, colors. Step 1. Arrange 3 straws vertically on a sheet of paper. 2. Now take another straw and put horizontally on the previous 3 straws and color the point of intersection with sketch colors. It represents 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3. Repeated the above step by putting one more straw vertically intersecting at 3 more points. These represent 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 4. By continuing this activity, we have the multiplication table of 3.